As always, I invite you to arrive at yourself. And as a symbol, use your hands. I want to arrive at myself through my body. Through my hands, I try to feel into my chest. I try to feel my breath. And I try to allow its reactions just by noticing them. I turn my hands and I lead the sensation. I'm with you. I feel myself through the body. And I direct my wrists in a way that my fingers point down to the earth. And I sense my body in a way that it just by itself becomes upright and strong. Then I breathe, let go, and make a step forward or backwards. And then I repeat it one more time. I take my hands. I take time to arrive at myself. I turn my hands. I lead myself through the body, downwards. And I notice how my body reacts. Let go and breathe. A eurythmy exercise, which have so many different variations, is that you have your hands in front of your chest. And then slowly you become wide. You widen your sensations. You enjoy the sunrise. Your sighs. And then you come back again. And slowly you arrive at yourself again. And when going out, you enjoy flowing through your arms, streaming through your legs, becoming big. And when you come back, you enjoy relaxing your upper arms, the lower arms. And just come in again. Be happy within yourself. Just enjoy what's happening. So many things you can notice. Everything happens more or less by itself. And the legs react, for example. And then arrive at yourself and let go. Breathe. Great. Make a little step. And now we want to approach the quality of the sixth, a musical quality. And the sixth has to do with the fingers and the space between the fingers. And the first exercises are just that we try to sense our fingers. So have them a little bit here. And then do the same exercise again, but try to feel the air between your fingers become wide. And come in again. And the whole arm is doing it, but you sense the fingers. Oh, I have fingers. Beautiful. And again, sense how the space between the fingers becomes a little bit wider. And the air even you can feel as a freshness, cooling the fingertips, even when you move them slowly. Is it fantasy? Is it real? Don't bother. Great. And the fingers unfold. Take the arms along. And the finger become a little bit roundish, or just relax. Coming in, and the arms relax. Great. The fingers, the space between the fingers, that's the realm of the sixth. But the movement becomes musical through you yourself observing your own activity. How do I do it? Yeah? And what we try first is, that we can observe something, that you have your hands, and then you try to feel your thumbs. Then you try to feel your pointing fingers, the middle finger, the ring finger, the pinky finger. Yeah. And then you let go. And then again, can I feel my thumb? Can I feel my pointing finger? Can I feel the middle finger, the ring finger, the pinky finger? And don't look at it. Oh, you can look at it, but if it helps. But can I do it, observe it from within? Thumb, number 2, 3, 4, 5. And then relax. Come back. And now try to observe how the one who tries to observe the fingers, who jumps from finger to finger. So try to see, oh, I'm in my thumb. Now I go into this finger. Now I go to the middle finger. Now I go to the fourth finger. Now I go into the little finger, the pinky finger, and let go. It's all about trying to, how do I do it that I feel my thumb, that I feel my pointing finger, the middle finger. Okay, and one last time, try to observe you in this finger. Oh, I'm in that finger. Now I move there, now I move there, and now I move there. And then relax. It's all about, I'm out there, but I'm still with me. I see myself, I'm not losing myself. And now we do the same from with coming in. And we start with a small movement, but we try to sense the pinky finger first. And then we move the ring finger a little bit, the middle finger, the pointing finger, the thumb. And then we let go. And letting go carries our arms out again. Pinky finger, ring finger, middle finger, pointing finger, thumb, and let go. And now again observe yourself. How do I do this? Okay, now I move there, now I move there, now I move there. Let go. A last time. And just observe the mood around you. How does your surroundings, what quality are they in? How do they sound? The soundboard of your surrounding. And now let's do something similar with the feet. You just stand, and to begin with, we just try to stroke through grass with the fingers. And again, we begin from the center towards periphery. So stick your toes into the grass under you. Try not to get a cramp. Avoid everything which causes too much tension. And then feel the space between your toes when you stroke through the grass. And then come back. And then take the other foot. Just try to sense your toes when you go through out there. And come back. And try, how many toes have you got? 5? Okay. Are you sure? Can you feel all 5? So stretch them apart from each other a little bit. Make them wide, that you can feel the space in between, or sense it when you go out and come back. And the other foot, just stroke through the grass with widespread toes. Not with your muscles, with your sensation, you spread your toes. And now, just for fun, try to sense the big toe first and the little toe last. Okay, we start inside, it's in the grass. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Any direction is fine. Take different directions. Change your feet, change directions. Big toe, 2, 3, 4, 5. And again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And back. And last time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great. And now to really enter, make it musical, we try to perceive the person who tries to perceive the toes and who is in this one and then in the other one and then jumps to the third one. And it's only about trying. It's not possible to visualize yourself, but you can try to come in contact with it. So who is doing this? That I feel my thumb, my second, third, fourth, fifth toe, and come back. Just, can you get a glimpse of this person? This activity, who makes it? Can you perceive the activity? Who makes you feel one toe after the other? Come back. Last time, can you notice the activity which makes you move through your toes? Relax. It's just an exercise, but the interest in perceiving, having contact with this quality of activity, this will support us also after the exercise. And now we do it coming in. All toes first. Put them in the grass out there. Slowly, stroke through the grass towards your foot. Coming in is minor. Going out is a major quality. So now we do this coming in. Toes in the grass. Spread out and bring them in. Try to feel one toe after the other. Coming in means the way from the little toe which is further out towards the big toe which is further in. So put your foot out, feel your little toe, and while coming in, try to perceive how you move from toe to toe. And try to notice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, how you do that. Little toe, fourth one, third, second, big toe. And then just stand, sense how your legs feel now. Sense how your body feels now. And sense the soundboard around you. The mood in you, where you have been with your fingers. And again, this question to perceive your own activity you're doing, and then sit down or perceive yourself in your doing. And relax. Forget about all theory. Just how does my body respond now? Is it sitting stable? Is it easy to shake, or is it held by something? How do I feel my toes, my feet? How do I feel my upper arms and my upper legs, my thighs, compared to how my fingers and toes feel? And how do you perceive the space of your chest? How big is it? How much joy or what else do you perceive in it? And then let go. Just be. And what's your relationship to your body if you just are? How does it like that? Ask him if you want.